Hello, so this is a quick demonstration video for our Ultimate Trade and Alert Assistant. If you don't have this universal trading stop yet, you should try it out. It's a good risk management tool. So I'm going to load up the assistant. These are the inputs we have. So first off, all we have is price level for alert. So we can set our alert price. It's weekend now, so I'm going to use BTC chart. Let me use 108,700 for alert 700. Okay, so this is if it will touch close above or close below. Let me use touch for this instance. Time frame for close below. So if you don't want to use the current time frame on the chart, which is 15 minutes, you can choose to use a different time frame. That's the flexibility of this, especially that's if you're using close above or close below. But I'm not using close above or close below, so I'm going to leave this on current. Enable alerts, enable trading on alert. This is if you want a trade to be activated. So let's turn it to true. If this is false, if this is set to false, that means alert will just be given to you at this price. There will be no trade, but I want a trade, so I'm going to put. So once you put trade, you put your trade type. Buy, you have the option to choose buy, sell, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and close buy. So let me choose a buy, or to make it interesting, let me put a buy limit. So once I put a buy limit, I can now put a separate price for a buy limit. Let's give an instance. 108,700 is somewhere around here, right? So if price touches here, I can put a buy limit somewhere here so that it will retrace to an order block. This is just an example. Most times for this example, I use close above. So once price closes above this place, for instance, I'll just put an order block for the buy limit. So let me put a buy limit. Let me put the price at 108,600. Lot size for trade ignored for close buy. Okay, so this is if the lot size for your trade, very flexible, but let's use 0.02 for this. So take profit price, you can choose your take profit price. Let me use 108,900 like a scalp, and stop loss 108,400. Okay, this is ticket ID to close. Now this is if you choose close by here. If you wanted to close a position, you choose a ticket ID to close. For instance, this open position of gold, this is the ticket ID. So you write the ticket ID you want it to close. But we are not closing a position now, so we are leaving this. And the good thing about this is when you are closing by, you can close, maybe the position is 0.1, you can simply close 0.02 out of 0.01. That will make it partial closure. That's the size, lot size to close by. This is it. Alert message. This is the alert message you get. Allow multiple alerts. This is if you want the alerts to be repeated. So we set it to true. Then the cooldown, the interval, time interval between the alerts, and it, like a pending order like this is an expiry. So as you can see, it is very flexible. You choose your expiry for the pending order. So this is it. So let me say it expires in 1 hour. If it doesn't touch in 1 hour, then no need. So this is basically it. With time, the alert will trigger and the buy stop will be placed. So because of time, the video is already too long. I'm going to leave it here, but you can try out the demo and you see that it works very fine. kindly leave a good review after you purchase it and you enjoy it, because you are going to enjoy it.